Hi friends. In the last lecture we saw how to create a PHP class, but in this lecture we are going to see how to use a class variable inside a method and how to access that variable from outside so that we can send the data to the inside of a method. So right now in this example, in this coder, you can see that I have written a class known as Suman, which has a public property by the name $name. Now I am creating a what method over here, that is public function display name, and this name where this method is accessing the property over here. Now we have created a property dollar and dollar name. At the same time we have created a method by the name display and display name, and this display name method is getting a value by the name dollar name. Okay, now as we have seen in the previous video that we have to tell this method which variable to access, because a class may comprise of many variables and a class may comprise of many methods, and those methods may comprise of many variables. So here what I need to write the variable using the this keyword, dollar name, and as we all know, a function always returns a value, so it will also return a value. Okay, so in this class I created a property, I created a method, and this method is accessing a variable and it is displaying giving out the variable name using the return. Now let us create a object for this class Suman. Okay, I have created an object for this class Suman, and now this object is going to access the name property, this name property. I am accessing this name property using this object. So here it is being done. Okay, so I have inserted a string, that is I love to eat pizza, inside the name function. Now this echo will do what? It is going to put this whole stuff inside this display name. Okay, the same concept. So run this program over here. We got the result. So let us again check out what we have done and what this function is doing to us. First of all, I have created a class Suman. It has a public property dollar name. It has a public function or a public method known by the name display name, and this method is accessing this name property which is already declared inside the class. Now I have to insert the value of this variable inside this variable, okay, so that it can get returned in this return function. Same thing. Okay, now outside the class what I have done, I have created a object $s, and this is holding the entire class inside it. That means this dollar class s is the instance of this class Suman. Now what I am doing in this line number 23rd is that I am creating a variable $a, and this $a is actually holding this string I love to eat pizza. Now I love to eat pizza is actually being held up by this $s name. Now when you are inserting this in this $s name, it is actually gets insert over here. That is the main principle. But since we have to use this display name class, and this class is display name, sorry, not class, this method is accessing a variable, so I have to use a variable inside this display name. So what I have done, I have created a object $s, as you all know. This will going to access this display name method, and this display name method is going to access this variable $a, and this $a is nothing but this variable that is called the method. And when we run this program, I got this value. Now suppose I change the information in this string to some Suman, isn't it? Also this is how we can do, but can we do this? Let's do an, what do you say, practical, isn't it? It would be better for us. Yeah, it worked. So the same thing. So display name is holding the whole value inside it like this. So this is how we can use a property inside a method, and that method can be called. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed learning something new in the PHP class, and hope it will do for you. So guys, thank you.